Good morning children. Welcome to MBM classes. Today let us discuss the topic absolute value of a number. In the last class we discussed what are negative integers, what is the need for negative integers, opposites, etc. Now let us see absolute value. What do you mean by absolute value? The absolute value of a number is a distance from 0 on the number line without considering its direction. Its symbol is given by two parallel lines like this. Suppose, what is the distance? Suppose if I say 5, then the 5 is a positive number. The distance from 0 to 5 is 5 units. So if I take a negative number, minus 6, the distance from 0 to minus 6 is also 6 units. So the absolute value of 5 is 5 and the absolute value of minus 6 is 6. That is, we are considering only the distance from the point 0. So if I say, this is the symbol for absolute value. Absolute value of minus 4 is equal to 4. Why it is equal to 4? Because the distance from 0 to minus 4 is 4 units. That is called absolute value. So absolute value of 6 is 6. Absolute value of minus 3 is equal to, so you find the distance of 0 from minus 3, it is 3 units. So which is equal to 3. In general, we can say absolute value of any number is a number without their sign. So that is its absolute value. If I take minus 4, my answer will be for all numbers without any sign. You call that as a absolute value. That is the distance from the point 0 to that number. If I say minus 7, the distance from 0 to minus 7 is 7 units. So absolute value of minus 7 is 7. So you may also be given like this: absolute value of minus 7 plus 7 minus 4. So in this case, first you have to calculate what is 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So I can write absolute value of 3 is equal to 3 units. So first, whatever is given in these two parallel lines, first you have to simplify this and then find out its absolute value. Next topic is additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Additive inverse means opposite of a number. Suppose opposite of, what is opposite of minus 3? It is plus 3. And opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. Opposite of 8 is minus 8. So we have to change the sign over here. That is called additive inverse. You can say additive inverse of minus 3 plus 3. Additive inverse of minus 7 plus 7. And additive inverse of 8 is negative 8. That is minus 8. What is next one? These two are same. It is a negative of a number. Negative of a number is nothing but its additive inverse. So what is negative of minus 8? Negative of negative. So it becomes plus 8. Additive inverse of minus 8. Negative of minus 8. Additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. So if it is minus of 7, additive inverse of 7 minus 7 is, here it is plus 7. So we get minus 7. Additive inverse of plus 7 is minus 7. And additive inverse of plus 8 is minus 8. So whenever you have a minus sign before the bracket, it doesn't mean it is its additive inverse. You have to say additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. Additive inverse of plus 7 is minus. So you should use this negative as additive inverse. That is its opposite. Additive inverse of minus 8 plus 8. So whenever you see two minus signs over here before the bracket, it becomes plus. In general, we can learn it as a quick trick. When you have two minus signs, it becomes plus. When you have opposite signs, it becomes minus. See, these two signs are opposite. We have minus. This is a quick trick to remember. When two signs are same, we get plus. When two signs are different, we get minus. Otherwise, just you say additive inverse of minus 8 plus 8. Additive inverse of plus 7 minus 7. Additive inverse of plus 8 minus 8. So, whenever you see minus sign before the bracket, use the word additive inverse and then find out the answer for the number given in the bracket. This is called the negative of a number. Now, let us see how to add two integers or two or more integers, addition of integers on a number line. There are two ways to add the integers. First, using number line, that is graphically, and second one without graphically. First, let us see what is the method to add two integers on a number line. So, always we have to start at 0. Next, moving right forward to add a positive integer. So, whenever you see a positive integer, you have to move right. That is, right means this right arrow indicates forward. We have to move forward. And whenever you see a negative integer, we have to move left. That means backward. Let us take an example 3 plus 5. Let us see this addition using number line and find out the answer. So, what is the first integer? 3. So, let us point this first integer 3. So, since the first integer is 3, always, so what is the first step? You have to start at 0. So, from 0, you have to jump to 3. 0 to 3. Now, what is the next integer? Plus 5. Plus means I said you have to move right or move forward. From here we are going to move forward. How many steps forward? 5 steps forward. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my final answer. My answer is 8. Coming to the second sum, minus 3 plus minus 5. So this you can simplify and write it as minus 3 minus 5. You can ignore this plus and write it as minus 5. So, first integer is minus 3. So, I am going to jump from 0 to, always start at 0. So, 0 to the first integer. What is the first integer? Minus 3. So, I am going to jump from 0 to minus 3. Second integer is minus 5. When you see a negative sign, so when there is a negative sign, we have to move backward. So, you're going to how many steps backward? 5 steps backward. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, my answer is minus 8. Now, let us see how to find the value of this 8 more than minus 2. 8 more than means moving forward or right arrow plus. More than minus 2. So, first we had to jump 0 to minus 2. So, this is 0 to minus 2. From we have to say more than. It is given as more than. So, we have to move forward. How many steps forward? 8 steps forward. So, let us move 8 steps forward now from minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, my answer is 6. Now, next sum 9 less than 3. So, first always you should make a number line. Make a number line using scale. Take equal units. Using scale, you take equal units of 1 unit, 1 equal units, so that it will be easy for you to mark the numbers on the number line. So, put the arrow since it is a line over here and mark 0. So, 1, 2, 3. These are positive numbers and before 0 they are all negative numbers. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, 9. How many numbers you want? You can mark it. Minus 13, minus 14. Now you see the first 9 less than. Less than means we had to move backward. You have to mark this and write it over here so that it will be easy for you. You will not commit any mistake. 9 less than 3. So what is the first number I had to jump? I had to jump from 0 to 3. I jumped from 0 to plus 3. Now you are going to move backward because it is given as less than. 9, how many steps backward? 9 steps backward. So let us move backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is minus 6. This is how you find the addition using number line. Now it's a quiz time for you. Write the addition expression represented by a number line. Here the number line is given. Using this number line you have to write the answer in the form of expression. So first one I'll do it for you. 0 to 3. So my first number is 3. Next it is plus. So from 3 to 6 again it is 3 units. So I'll be writing 3 plus 3. This is for you. Next, using number line, add the following integers. Just now we saw how to add the integers using number line. So first integer you will be finding it is 5 more than 2. Next 7 more than minus 3. So all these you will find and write the answers over here. Find the answer using number line. Next one, find the absolute value of first one minus 4. Second one minus 3 minus 7. Third one 8 minus 4. Next one minus 4 plus minus 6. Next one, last one, write the additive inverse of first one 15. Second minus 6. Third minus of minus 3. And the fourth one is minus of 7. So find out the answer for all these using the topic so far we are discussed in this video. Hope this video is very useful to you. Please share the channel, subscribe it and like it.